All right, so here's part 2 of your notes for graphing systems for 3.1. Hey, you can actually see me when I'm teaching to you. How cool is that? It's kind of weirding me out because I'm looking that way, but when I see myself on the screen, I'm looking that way, but whatever. Okay, I don't remember if both problems of your homework on Edulastic have this set up to be y equals. So the Edulastic assignments, you might have to solve for y for one or both of the equations on paper before you get started. So notice this is labeled line AB, so I want to make sure line AB is highlighted like this. It's different than these two, right? And I'm going to start at +3 on the y-axis, and then it plots a point, and I just have to drag this point where I want it to be. So I want to leave this point because that's where I want it to be. This one has a slope of -5/3. So I'm going to go from here down 5 and over 3. So it's going to put me right there. Let me make sure I counted that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So I want my second point to be right there. Okay. Now I'm going to switch to line CD, which is right here. I want it to start at -3. The y-intercept is -3. And then the slope is 1/3, so I want to go up 1 and over 3, so it's actually going to overlap that point right there. Okay, and the reason we're practicing this right now is this is going to be on your Edulastic test, so I want you guys to practice it in the homework. Notice it says place point E on the solution, so I want you to click on point E, and then watch as I label it because it's going to be pretty quick. Once I click right here, it's going to show an E to confirm that I placed it there. Okay, so make sure you're watching. I'm going to click right now. See how it says point E? Oh, it's still showing. So this is showing me this is CD. I think if I, oh no, this shows AB right here. It's just kind of mixed in. And then there's point E. And I'm going to submit. And it's going to show me that I got it correct. So you have two problems, like I said in the video you just finished watching. You have two problems on Edulastic that are exactly like what I just did. And then you have some bookwork, okay?